In this video, we'll prepare the battery box to receive the battery. The next few steps involving the trunk seal are optional, but help improve battery fitment. Start by cutting a 9-inch section of the trunk seal. Next, trim off the triangular extension on the back side of the seal. You'll need to make 2 cuts as shown. Push the seal onto the battery box with the trim side facing the front of the car. Mark the battery box studs 6.75 inches from the pivot point. These studs were tied to your battery box when your kit was delivered. Use a grinder or hacksaw to cut the studs at your marks. Insert the studs through the wall of the battery box from the outside in. Then aim the studs toward the front of the car. Finally, drop the battery into the box with the terminals facing forward.